perfecting the girl next door image, Manisha Lamba is back, rediscovering sensuality. Manisha, welcome on Zoom.
Thank you so much. And I really like the way you introduced it, saying rediscovering sensuality. I think that was the perfect term to use for it.
Thank you so much, because we have seen you in a bikini before in Kidnap, but this cover is amazing. Tell us something about the shooting experience.
We shot the cover with Subi Samuel, who's an ace photographer, a very good friend of mine. So we discussed the concept extensively, and the whole point was to make it about being beauty, it being a beauty shoot as well as a sensuous shoot, but also keeping in mind the ethos of the magazine that we are shooting for.
I've been following you on a social networking site also, and your cover picture there is also quite sensual. So are you looking for an image makeover here right now?
Well, I'm just looking at exploring new things, because there's a side of me which people haven't seen, which I have not done in any film till now. So the only way I can explore that is in photo shoots, and I just do it for my own personal self. Maybe in 10 years time, 20 years time, you can have these pictures and remember that you were young once.
Like you said, there is a side in you which people have not seen yet.
Yeah.
What is this side? Tell us, elaborate on that.
Well, I don't think words can capture that. It's more of when you see it and understand it, that's when you would know. You can never describe yourself to someone and expect them to understand. It's not how it works.
So tell us, and give us a for instance in terms of a role. Like, this is the kind of role I would like to do to portray that side.
I wouldn't, I don't know what comes to mind right now. There are loads of roles, but probably an action role for sure, a Charlie's Angels. That is a side of me people haven't seen and which I would love to explore, a female action hero. No, really.
You do look like an angel. I'm sure you can kick some ass. Also, since this issue is all about hotness, so tell us what, according to you, is your favorite Bollywood romantic scene which you find really hot?
Bollywood romantic scene that I find really hot. God, you should have asked me these questions earlier, because I can't think of anything on the spot right now. Why don't you give me some examples and I'll choose from that.
Sonam recently said that she loved Raj Kapoor and Nargis behind the umbrella kiss scene.
That is a classic. I mean, you can't beat that, because that's a classic. It'll forever be evergreen. But I love things that are subtle. In Omkara, there was this montage of Kareena and Ajay Devgan just running around and having this chemistry with each other without even one piece of cloth falling off. And I think that's the most beautiful way to show romance.
I hope you get to do something similar. Also, like you said, there are sides of you which people haven't seen yet. Not many people know that you have graduated from Miranda House with honors in English, and you wanted to be a journalist at one point. And now you're playing a role of a television journalist in Joker, so you must have been very excited when you got it.
I was, because that is something that I would have actually done with my life. So that's the beauty of being an actor. You can be schizophrenic and you can just play so many different kinds of roles in the guise of work. And the more different roles you do, the more different people you explore being. And then you realize that who you are is actually the best person.
Also, now to wrap up this interview, one quick fix to all the female fans watching out there. If they have to go on a date, like 3 easy ways to look sensuous on a date.
3 easy ways to look sensuous is never overdo your makeup. Simple is what guys like the best. Don't bother, matching too much and color coordinating with the right bag, right shoes and everything, because A, a guy doesn't notice, and B, if he does notice, he doesn't notice, trust me. And B, if he does notice, he'll probably think that you're very high maintenance and it may scare him off. And 3, the things to do out on a date is you have to be yourself. You've got to let him know that this is who I am and this is what you're going to get, so later on there are no surprises, there are no at least easygoing as a person. Of course you can't reveal everything, but yeah. Advice from me. Oh God, the last person who should be giving relationship advice in life.
Why so?
I don't know. I feel as if I'm very a bad relationship advice giver. Therefore, I don't give anyone relationship advices at all.
We'll keep that in mind. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Thank you.
That was Manisha Lamba with Kirti Tarang and cameraman Manjeet, Zoom Mumbai.
Hi, this is Supreet. Follow the Zoom TV channel on Dailymotion and zoom into fresh Bollywood news and entertainment. Just visit www.dailymotion.com/ZoomTV.